try and set this one up. We're looking for the Flamme Rouge across the road. BMC are there. Here go the colours now of Lotto Soudal.
Well, it's still a big group, isn't it? Even considering, just a little bit of road furniture there. Fortunately, this group have all made it through safely.
James Shaw on the front, 1 kilometre to go now, leading out. James Shaw from Nielsen Palace, Bob Jungels, Alaphilippe, Madvert Schmidt is there. Hugh Carthy still very much up towards the front. Emils Lipens, Connor Swift are all there. Shaw, job done by him. Now it's Jungels with Alaphilippe on the wheel. Can they set this one up now? Paddy Bevan is poised and ready for Team BMC. It's Jungels from Alaphilippe. Madvert Schmidt is there. And then comes...
Sasha Modola is there as well, the sprinter from EF Education.
Sasha Modolo, watch out for the pink and white jersey. 500 metres to go towards the line. Bob Jungels doing a huge lead out now for his teammate. Jasper de Boist from Lotto Soudal is having a look over the top as well. Here comes Cameron Mayer just trying to move up, but Jungels has got the front. Can he lead this one out and set it up for Julian Alaphilippe? Patrick Bevan is just having a look around. Emils Lipens is there. Mads Schmidt, though, is the rider that opens up the sprint. Sasha Modolo is a fast finisher. Bevan on the inside. Schmidt is there. Here comes Hayter. Emils Lipens trying to get onto the wheel of the British rider. Alaphilippe straight down the centre. Lipens on the outside. Alaphilippe takes it from Paddy Bevan. A perfect lead out there from Bob Jungels. Sets it up nicely for Julian Alaphilippe.
10-second time bonus. He was at 12 seconds. So that was I wondered if it was going